bumababa na siya.
Ladies and gentlemen, we'll be landing in a few minutes. Please check that your seatbelts are securely fastened. Cabin crew remain seated with your seatbelts fastened. Thank you.
Landing. Maganda. Soft ang landing niya. We're here. It's touchdown Los Angeles, California.
Hawaii Philippine Airlines welcomes you to Los Angeles. Local time is now 17 minutes past hour 9 in the morning. Arrived ahead of schedule. Date today is the 3rd of May 2026. Ground temperature is recorded at 60 degrees Celsius or 61 degrees Fahrenheit. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the seatbelt sign is switched off. For an orderly manner of disembarkation, passengers must remain seated and await instructions for deplaning. We shall commence passenger deplaning as soon as we receive clearance to do so. May remind you to take precautions when opening the overhead storage bins to retrieve your items as these may have shifted during the flight. All passengers with connecting flights out of LAX will be given priority. Passengers who need assistance, please approach our cabin crew and ground staff who will be happy to assist you. On behalf of Captain Patrick Capuena, First Officer Michelle Padayad, Second Officers Jessica Pastejo and Luis Robin, This has been your PR 112 crew.
Ano mo na yung,
Thank you
ano
for
mo,
flying
airplane mode mo
Philippine
sa
Airlines.
cellphone mo.
Mabuhay at maraming salamat po.
Yung,
We hope to see you again.
ano mo na yung airplane mode. Turn off mo na.
Hindi yata nakaon.
Once again, I'd like to request all passengers to please remain seated with your seatbelts securely fastened. Thank you for your cooperation.
Kasi hindi naman nakaon. Sa
Airplane.
seating. Airplane mode. Wala naman. Hindi nakaon.
Ano yung airplane mode mo?
Wala, hindi nakaon.
Hindi ka mga yung messenger mo?
Hindi nakaon.
No connection pa. Ano na? Ay,
Nawala na.
no, naka-on na siya ah.
Oo, yun.
Wala pa good na.